My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new adware type application that is called PanelCharge. PanelCharge is a special adware specifically designed for Mac computers, and this adware is from the AdLoad family. Once installed, it starts displaying the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements that are displayed in the right part of the screen or in some other parts of the screen. PanelCharge adware shows these ads that are not related to the sites that you visit. This particular adware specifically injects its roots into Safari browser in Mac computers. PanelCharge adware also has got some data tracking capabilities. It may collect some browsing related information and use it absolutely illegally. If you have found this PanelCharge application to be the part of your Mac, access your Finder, check your applications, and move this PanelCharge to the trash. In order to make sure that your computer is free of other possibly hidden threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this special green download button, install the program. Then after you start it, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is crucial and essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So the program is initially in the trial mode. In my case, it's a premium mode. After the antivirus database is updated, you need to click on Start Combo Scan button. This will begin the analysis of your Mac computer. Even the trial version of Combo Cleaner has got several free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance of your Mac computer. So it takes time until the scanning is completed. The scanning duration, of course, will depend on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. It may depend on how powerful your computer is or how infected your Mac computer is. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats which were revealed on the computer. You will also be able to know the locations of these threats on your Mac computer, and based on that locations information, some threats can always be removed manually, but we recommend upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your Mac always free of threats.